Hey everybody. Shoo, as you can tell, I am soaking wet. My face is bright red and I'm sweating to death. It is 8:14 on Monday night. I just got through playing an hour and a half of tennis with three men that were a lot better than I was. But I held my own. And I was just thinking about perseverance. And when I first started playing with them, I was a little bit intimidated. I was like, oh my gosh, they are really good. But once I got over my nerves, I was like, heck, I can play as good as they can. I just play different than they do. They like to hit the ball as hard as they can. And I like to place the ball where they can't reach it. So anyhow, I want to talk about perseverance because the only way to grow is to persevere. And I was thinking about, do I go back and play with those guys again? Or do I just, tuck my head down and go somewhere else and play with people not as good as I am? But I realize unless I press in and play with people that are a lot better than I am, and that's true in ministry, that's true in business, that's true in everything. Unless we challenge ourselves and we get around people that are a lot better than we are, we'll never grow. So I want to encourage you guys, like Paul says, I forget what's behind me, so I'm going to forget all the balls I missed tonight, and I'm going to press on to the goal, which I want to get better. I want to be able to play with those guys and they be intimidated to play with me. I want to be able to be the best at my coaching. I want to be the best at pastoring. I want to be the best. And the only way I do that is by being around people that are better than I am so I can learn and grow with them. So know that when you persevere, even when it's really difficult, and I know tennis may be a minimal example, but I love tennis. I'm a little bit obsessed, so I really want to be good at it. But when you persevere, know that it will pay off. That in the end, you will grow, you will get better, you will gain the respect and influence in other people's lives because they know you're going to try your best, you're going to learn from your mistakes, and you're going to grow into the person that God has created you to be. So have a great Monday night. I've got to go in, get a shower, and see if I can cool off a little bit. But be encouraged because perseverance will bring great growth in your life. Thanks, MB. You're an uber athlete. Yes, I love to play. And like I said, those guys were younger than I was, and definitely better than I was. But they didn't outplay me. I held my own. So persevere, guys. I know you're going to grow in everything that you do. Have a great Monday night, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.